Hi, I'm Brittany with WTI, and who doesn't need a good night's sleep? I know I do.
This INNELO contoured sleeping mask really helps me catch some Z's. It's so easy, just mask, bed, combine, and sleep. I love the texture on the front. It just not only makes it comfortable, but look appealing. The inside has an awesome contour that goes perfectly over your nose and underneath your eyes so no light gets in. This is good not only for when you're on the road, traveling, on the car, or on the plane, but mainly what I use it for is when I'm getting ready for bed. I can have it there on my nightstand, grab it, put it on. It is so comfortable. The elastic is so easy. You can adjust it to whatever size you need. And it is designed for side sleepers, so it is not going to move when you wake up. It is still there and really is the key for me to have a really good night's sleep. To stop any of that light from getting in, I can feel refreshed and be ready to start the day. Not only does the strap help you make sure it'll stay on your head, but it is also great for hanging up on your nightstand.
This was so comfortable and just so easy. It's a no-brainer, and that's my point of view.